Figma offers thousands of plugins to help UI UX designers. But how will you know which are the best ones for you? Well, here's the take. I have tried and tested hundreds of them and sorted out the best ones that helped me streamline my workflow, boost productivity, and level up my designs. So let's get straight into it. Figma plugin library is packed with more than 4,000 resources, and digging through each category is a time sink. To save you hours of scrolling, I have organized the selected plugins into simple categories. That would be design systems, productivity boosters, streamlining workflow tools, and visual assets. I do have some bonus gems that you can't miss out. This curated list of Figma plugins will seriously level up your workflow. It will help you with rock solid design systems, automate repetitive tasks, refine layouts, and enhance the quality of visuals and icons. So let's get started. First one is the design system plugins. Design systems is the backbone of scalable, consistent UI. Without a solid foundation, you waste time fixing inconsistencies, and your product looks less professional. These plugins help you build once, reuse everywhere, and keep your design clean and unified across projects. The first plugin in this list is Thema. It helps you sync your color, text styles across multiple files and projects. Just have to update once and everything gets updated. It is essential for theme switching and even dark mode UI designs. It is totally free and you can use it whenever you want. Number 2 is Design System Organizer. It's a freemium, but you get a lot of better features in the free part rather than the pro version. It helps you bulk rename, reorder, and delete components. It is ideal for tidying out large libraries and staying organized as your design system grows. Another one from this list is Style Organizer. It detects duplicate and unused text, colors, and effect styles in your Figma file. You can merge or delete them in just few clicks. It is must-have for keeping your design system clean and organized. It is totally free and you can use whenever you want for each and every file that you have in your Figma. Second category is for Productivity and Workflow Boosters plugin. Designers spend way too much time on repetitive tasks. These are plugins that help you reduce manual effort, automate tedious tasks, and help you focus on creativity. If you are working under deadline or juggling multiple projects, these plugins will help you the best. Fourth one in the list is Autoflow. Automatically draw arrow between frames to build user flows in seconds. It helps you select two frames and connect them with the flow arrow instantly. Great for building user flows, wireframes, and presentation ready flows. It works with Smart Animate to preview interactions and helps you save time on manually drawing and aligning lines. Next one in the list is FigGPT. Brings ChatGPT inside Figma to assist with text and design related tasks. Key features of this plugin would be auto renames messy layers for clarity and structure, generates UX copy like headings, CTAs, and placeholder text, answer design questions inside your workspace, and it has a free plan that includes limited daily queries. Sixth one is Similayer. It is totally free and helps you select similar layers based on shared properties across your designs. You can instantly select all text layers with the same font size and colors. It helps you work with spaces, strokes, fills, and effects. Perfect for batch edits and consistent styling. You can avoid tedious manual clicking through layers and streamline cleanup and refactoring all your major large files. The next category of plugins is layout and structure. Clean layouts and structure aren't just about visuals. They are about speed, performance, and scale. Messy files slow down collaboration, make editing harder, and cause issues in the development handoff. These tools help you design with precision and clarity. So the first one in this list would be Auto Layouter. It is free and helps you automatically apply Figma auto layout rules. perfect when you forgot to set it up in the early stages. It helps you instantly add auto layout to the frames without manual setup. It helps you save time by bulk applying consistent padding, spacing, and alignment. Moreover, it prevents design inconsistencies across each and every component in your layout. The eighth plugin in the list is Layout Grid Buddy. It is free and help you easily drop responsive customizable grids in your frames for cleaner layout. You can easily add multiple grid types like columns, rows, and have full control on them. You can customize the margins, gutters, and even columns width visually. You can switch between desktop, tablet, and even mobile grid layouts easily. Let's move ahead with another plugin category, visual assets. These plugins bring quality assets directly into Figma, so you can stay creative and fast. I have divided these plugins further into some other categories for mockups, illustration, and icons. Mockups help your UI design feel real. Whether you're building a portfolio, presenting to clients, or prepping your handoff, mockups give you work that polished professional edge. These plugins let you create them instantly right inside Figma. The first one is Mockup Studio. It is freemium and there are best features in the free version. It easily insert your UI into high quality mockup scenes with just few clicks. Choose from device frames like laptops, phones, tablets, and desktop. You can also use Artboard Studio Mockup. Again, it's a freemium and free version is better than the Pro. You can drop your designs into beautiful branding, print, and device mockup scenes, and everything easily inside Figma. You can easily access mockups for packaging, stationery, product, labels, mobiles, and desktop devices. All you have to do is drag and drop your UI directly into layered scenes. Customize angles, lighting, and background directly in Figma. It is perfect for branding, presentations, and marketing visuals. Next set of plugins is for illustrations. Illustrations instantly add emotion, personality, and clarity to your UI designs, but creating them can be time consuming. These plugins let you drop in beautiful customizable artwork right inside Figma. It helps you save hours and hours of work and keep your design flow intact. The first one in this list is Blush. You can browse and customize illustration from top artists directly inside Figma. Choose multiple illustration styles, swap colors, characters, elements to match your brand or UI designs. It has a simple drag and drop functionality with no design experience required. It is ideal for onboarding screens, landing pages, and even presentations. You can also try Humans for Figma. It is totally free. It helps you create diverse mix and match people illustrations with flexible drag and drop builder. It helps you customize body posture, skin tones, clothing, hairstyles, and more. You can combine these assets to reflect diverse, inclusive characters. It is perfect for team scenes, empty states, and even social focused UI designs. So try it today. The next set of plugins is for icons. Icons guide users, reduce visual noise, and bring clarity to your interfaces. But sourcing and downloading and customizing these icons can break your flow. These plugins give you quick access to beautiful editable icon set right here inside Figma. You can try Iconify. Search and use icons from over 100 libraries. All inside Figma, no download needed. You can search by keywords, drop directly into your canvases. Support colored, outlined, and mono icons. Icons are vector based and fully editable. It is completely free to use. Another plugin is Hero Icons. Again, it's totally free to use. A clean minimal icon set designed specifically for modern interfaces. It helps you with sharp, simple icons that pair well with Tailwind, React, and other UI frameworks. You can choose between solid and outline styles easily. It matches Figma's native style for seamless look and helps you with data-heavy designs like dashboards or admin panels. Now, I couldn't wrap this list without sharing a few wildcard picks. Plugins that don't fit into one category but are just too powerful to ignore. These are the ones you didn't know you needed, but once you try them, you'll never design the same way again. The first wildcard entry here is the Color Designer. It is a free plugin and helps you generate, adjust, and test accessible color palettes in real time inside Figma. You can create harmonious color systems from scratch, adjust saturation, brightness, and contrast instantly. You can easily export and apply the palette to your designs. The next one is Design Lint. Again, it's totally free. You can automatically find design inconsistencies in your file with this plugin. You can detect unstyled elements and visual inconsistencies, highlight some missing text, fills, strokes, and even effect styles. It is great for final reviews and development part. It is super fast and easy to use. So that's the list. Carefully tested, hand-picked, and organized to make your design process smoother and more efficient. These plugins have transformed the way I work, and I'm sure they'll do the same for you. So pick your favorites, experiment, and make them the part of your daily toolkit. Let me know which one's your favorite. For more such content, stay tuned to Coders Column. This is Dolly Solanki signing off.